Hello and hi friends, my name is Suresh Chauhan and you are watching my channel Chart Tech. So friends, today in this video we're gonna discuss about a common problem of Windows which comes with an error code of 0xc0000135 which is 135. So this is a kind of problem which gives a server manager is not opening in the Windows server. So this can be fixed by following few steps on the Windows command prompt menu which can be done easily. So friends, for that you have to go on the startup menu. On the startup menu you have to type run. In the run you have to type cmd. And then press enter. Now the command prompt menu has been arise in front of you. For in that you have to write some command which are like that. This is a kind of DISM exercise error. So this can be fixed only by DISM commands which were like this. The first command what you have to do is that type dism.exe space /online space /enable dash feature 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 space /all space feature name then colon net fx3. Then you have to simply press enter. Then the next command is dism .exe space /online space enable dash features space /all space feature name colon net fx4. Then press enter. Once you have done both the processes, both the cmd commands, then you have to restart your PC now and see that the problem has been irrigated now. This is the small process, you have to follow it very carefully. If you have any problem regarding this, you can leave your comment on the comment section. I will definitely help you out within 24 hours. Thank you friends. Jai Hind and Vande Mataram.